The Launch Complex Operation Manager is in charge of all the operational activities performed here on the launcher and on the ground facilities. Once the two cryogenic stages are delivered, they come by boat from Les Bureaux and Bremen, the launch campaign may start. The two solid rocket boosters are produced here in French Guiana and are transferred vertically in the launcher integration building in the first day of the launch campaign. This one began mid-November. After the launcher stages were assembled on the table, followed by a checkout of the fluid circuits as well as electrical system checks, the launcher was transferred in December to the final assembly building.
I'm the Arianespace Mission Director of this VA251 flight. I'm in charge of the organization and management of the launch campaign for our two co-passengers, from their arrival in French Guiana until the launch and injection in orbit. The launch campaign started on the 28th of November with the arrival of Eutelsat Connect at Cayenne Airport. After its transfer to S5C preparation payload facilities, standalone activities were performed until the 12th of December day of its transfer to the hazardous payload facilities S5B to perform fueling operation. The arrival of the lower payload GSAT-30 at Félix-Éboué Airport was on the 2nd of December. It was transferred to the S5C preparation payload facilities the same day, and mechanical and electrical checks started right after with the mechanical feed check on the 4th of December. GSAT-30 was transferred to the fueling facilities on the 13th of December. The spacecraft was fueled without anomaly from the 13th to the 18th of December. Finally, the combined operation with the launcher has started for Eutelsat Connect on the 16th of December with its flight mating on the payload adapter. It was transferred to the final assembly building on the 17th, hoisted onto the CILDA on the 18th, and encapsulated under the fairing on the 19th of December. For GSAT-30, the combined operation with launcher have started on the 19th of December with its flight mating on the payload adapter. After the Christmas break, we restart the combined operation on the 6th of January with the transfer of GSAT-30 to the launcher's final assembly building. The following day, it was hoisted onto the launcher and encapsulated under CILDA and fairing on the 8th of January. The general dress rehearsal for the range and both spacecrafts was performed last Friday, the 10th of January, with all tracking stations involved in the final chronology and the flight. The Ariane Launch Readiness Review, held on Tuesday, the 14th of January, authorized the beginning of the final chronology with launch vehicle transferred to the launch pad in order to be ready to launch the VA251 mission.
Approximately 2,000 operations are performed during an Ariane 5 6-week launch campaign. One of the key responsibilities is to guarantee that every operation is carried out correctly and at the highest level of quality. People involved in the launch team are from Arianespace and Ariane Group, with full support from our ground segment industrial partners, working together with the two payload customers to deliver a fully tested launch system that is ready for liftoff.